Changing your payout method on Toonimo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Toonimo account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled Payout Methods or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You can add a new payment method or edit an existing one. Fill in the required details accurately to ensure successful transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new payout method is set. Make sure to review your payout settings periodically to keep your payment information up to date.